What's going on, everyone? Today I'm here with a custom Blackout Cadillac Escalade, and we're going to go over some of the accessories that we use to create this style. Let's check it out. Right off the bat, you're going to notice this really nice satin black finish. And to achieve this, we used a high quality 2080 vinyl wrap from 3M. And what that satin finish does is it reduces reflection and creates a nice silky high-end luxury look. The satin black wrap is also really nice because it helps that chrome delete trim pop a little bit better. Now, the biggest part of our chrome delete is going to be this mesh blackout grille here, which is accented by fog lamp bezels on each side of it. We added a full-on blackout emblem here to match that grille, but we could have used a monochromatic chrome one. It would have looked just as good. You'll end up finding these blackout emblems on the trunk as well as the back parts of the window molding as well. As we move toward the back, you'll notice these smoke side markers right here, which are done with a tinted clear coat as opposed to a film, so there won't be any peeling. Right next to the smoke side markers, you'll find black powder coated wheels and red painted brake calipers. Painting your calipers is a great way to add a personalized pop of color to your ride. Next up, we have classic window tint and black window molding, which really help to give the vehicle a dark, alluring aesthetic. Above the windows, we have black roof rails, and then below them, we have black body side molding. On the back, you'll find one of those blackout emblems we mentioned earlier, resting right next to the black rear hatch valance. And then to go along with those emblems, we installed a blackout nameplate kit. To cap things off, we have blackout rear bumper trim and exhaust tips. If you're interested in giving your Cadillac Escalade a chrome delete, we sell these trim pieces for the 5th generation models, or you can swing by our shop. What do you think of this Cadillac Escalade? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and subscribe to see more custom automotive content. I'll see you in the next video.